What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be one of my last videos I make of my 55. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna be tearing this bad boy down since I'm gonna be moving at the end of the year. So I'm gonna upgrade to a larger tank. So I'm really sad about it. It's not gonna make it to this first year, which is January 11th, was the day I first put it up. This tank is gorgeous. Look at all the plant. Look at the nice growth. Uh, I'm gonna try to get it to its full potential as much as I can before I have to tear it down, but I don't think I'm gonna make it there. But who knows? Okay, everything is going good. I have like new plants. Have a couple new fish. That's one of my males. Okay, that's the two male German blue rams. My gold angel. He's a good looking fish. There he goes. It looks like the male. That's another male. Okay, there's a young female there. The more dominant male chases him away. Baby tears are growing out of control. The Luigi is growing pretty tall over here, nice and red. Check out that plant, how gorgeous it is. Don't mind the one next to it. It has like a lot of like bad leaves. I have to trim it, but as you can see, it has some nicer growth down there. Angelfish are beautiful. Little talus doing really nice. My angel are finally out and about. They all seem to be getting along and not fighting each other. Yeah, he's gorgeous. Got some new plants. I'm not sure the name of them yet, but there's some new plants. The Hycrophilia is doing great. It's growing really nice and tall. So the plants. One of my favorite plants here. It's the little one in the back over there. I'm trying to grow out. Let me see if I can forget about a shot of it. It's hidden back there. The red tiger lotus. If you can, I don't know if I'm able to get a good shot of it, but there it is. Wait till it's bigger. I only got a nice tiny stem. Okay, all the rams are out here in the front. So it was my man GSP who told me a while ago, when I was first starting up, he was telling me that in a tank this size, I can keep 2 males and 3 females. So that's exactly what I did. But I plan on moving. As soon as I get a pair, I'm gonna move them to the 30 breeder to see if I can get them to spawn successfully there. So. Yeah, that male has gotten a lot more aggressive. He even tells other fish, he chases the angelfish away. These are just some beautiful little fish. Look at all the blues and the reds. And that's my most submissive male. This is a young female. Another female. That's the big male. Look at his color, he's gorgeous. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I love this tank. Oh, look at them all. They're all lined up down there. Honestly, I love this tank. I hate to have to tear it down, but and then move on to bigger, better things. Thanks for watching, everyone.